Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, we have a 2010 Toyota Sequoia with almost 300,000 miles. And we are replacing rear coil springs. Well, let's get into this. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here we are at the left rear wheel where the main culprit is. We could see right there the rear spring is damaged. So according to the manual, RTFM, ladies and gentlemen, remember, RTFM, we loosen this guy here, we loosen that guy right there, and we loosen that guy right there, so pretty much the entire upper control arm, and then compress the spring with the special tool, and then we should be able to push this down all the way. Wait, excuse me, one more thing. We got to remove this bolt off the shock so the shock is not supporting it. Once we do that, we'll loosen that, and we should be able to, this whole thing will angle down, and we should be able to remove this spring. This side's the easier side because that coil's broken. The other side is still in one piece, but there's a lot of corrosion in that lower seat area, and as you can see, that's where this one broke. The other one's not too far along, so of course we're going to replace it in pairs. So meow, we're going to loosen these guys up, remove this. I might remove the sway bar. I don't know if it's going to give us any business or any resistance, so let's get into this. Very good, ladies and gentlemen, we have the shock removed. We loosened every single suspension bolt. We made a mark on the frame and a correlation mark on the bolt as well, or at least on the, well, yeah, probably on the bolt and washer. Either way, we made a mark to make sure all those bolts get tightened up to the exact same mark that they were originally in. So now that we have all them loose, we could maneuver the suspension a little bit. So we have this piece of wood here for leverage. Take our big pry bar. Then we could maneuver the entire assembly. So we had our special tool installed to take some of the compression up and mount it further to the lower control arm. Then as we brought this down, we were able to take the upper seat out, which gained us a little bit more room. We loosened the tool up a little bit, pried down on the entire suspension assembly, and then kind of got the spring to this location here. Now that everything is loose, we just have to remove the special tool, then we'll be able to remove the busted spring. Very good. Here we are. We have the spring almost installed. We have it under compression, slight compression right now. It's being held into place by the special tool. So meow, what we're going to do is we're going to pry down on this while we put the upper mount, which is brand new. We're going to put that on the screen, or excuse me, the spring, and then we're going to push down and push in all at once. Should work. Should. And with the passenger side here, we did struggle a whole lot more to where I needed some assistance from another fellow technician. Well, the reason why is this hardware here, completely seized, would not move. If I try to break that bolt free, it would break. Happened to that one, Happened to that one down there. And I believe it happened to one up here. So we were able to loosen this one, and we were able to loosen that one down there. But we had to get the big pry bar to get some good leverage over here. So yeah, we were definitely on the struggle bus during that little time frame, or that time lapse. Very good, ladies and gentlemen. Everything is installed appropriately. All of our suspension hardware was tightened while we had the screw jack supporting the weight of the vehicle and bring it to right height. So all that's tightened. Brake system is back on. New coils are in place. Unfortunately, customer declined alignment, but whatever, yada yada. Let's go to the broken parts. So here we have that driver's side. It broke. Corrosion got to it. The flavor runs deep with this coil, and that's where it broke off. You can see here, this one was not too far along. It would probably break right around here due to the corrosion. So we replaced both springs, both top seats. Very good. If you guys don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.